control strategy for multiple residential solar PV system in distribution network with improved power quality.
Abstract.
The main objective of this project is a modified power control system tailored for a grid-connected autonomous microgrid with multiple solar photovoltaic inverter units. The MPC enables seamless transitions between grid-tied mode and islanding mode in a microgrid with parallel-operated SPIs. During GTM, SPIs extract PV power to meet load demand, with excess power fed to the grid at unity power factor using current control mode. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
A grid-integrated microgrid with multiple residential PVs, comprising two parallel solar PV inverters, SPIs, connected to the utility through a state transfer switch, STS. Each PV unit interfaces with local distributed generators, DGs, and nonlinear loads. DGs include an inverter, interfacing inductor, and AC side ripple filters. The main inverter's DC side connects to a battery storage unit via a bidirectional converter. PV1 operates in both grid-tied mode, GTM, and islanding mode, IAM, serving as the primary unit in a two-stage residential PV microgrid, where PV2 depends on PV1 and cannot function independently in islanded conditions. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.